How to connect to VPN on Windows 11 laptop. First, open Settings on your Windows laptop. Go to Network and Internet. Then click VPN. Next, click Add VPN to create a new VPN connection. Under VPN Provider, select Windows Built-in. Enter any name you want for the connection name. Now, enter the VPN server address provided by your VPN service. Under VPN type, select the protocol supported by your VPN provider, such as SSTP. Next, choose the appropriate sign-in information and enter your VPN username and password if required. Make sure you use the credentials provided by your VPN service, rather than random credentials from an unknown website. Once everything is entered, click Save. Now, select the VPN connection you just created and click Connect. And that's how you can manually set up and connect to a VPN on a Windows laptop. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.